Well, hello guys, it's me again, and if you're new here, I'm Daniela and welcome to my channel. If you haven't already subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. So today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this look right here. This was not the look that I was expecting to do when I first started. I did have another kind of image in mind, but I do love how this look has come out. I love the eyes. I think it's just really beautiful, bold eye look. I haven't done an eye look like this in a long time. I haven't done like a bold eye with lashes and glitter. Who is she? So yeah, today's video I'm just going to show you how I did this look. I'm not really chatting in this video. It's not a chatty get ready with me. It's just like an old school tutorial. So yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's old school tutorial and let's get started. Hi guys, so first things first, I'm going to prime my eyes using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in Fair 08. I don't really like this concealer, but it's like the lightest concealer that I have, so I'm going to use it because I am using such bright colours. Now for eyeshadow, I'm going to use the NYX Ultimate Brights eyeshadow palette, so it looks like this. I'm going to go in with this colour first, and I'm just going to literally pack this onto my eyelid. So now that I've packed the colour on, I'm going to get a fluffy brush with the same colour and just kind of blend this out. Just going to blend out the edges. So now I'm going to go in with a little bit of this colour here. Even though it's got like a sheen, I'm just going to put this on the outer V. So now I'm going to use a white eyeshadow just to tone this down a little bit. I'm using the Luna Beauty Life's a Drag eyeshadow in Cake Face, which is this white one here. Just to make this a little bit more pastel, just because it's looking a little bit more like vibrant than what I want. So now I'm just going to get a skin tone colour and just... My eyeshadow brush literally just broke on me. Okay, I'm going to get another brush. I'm going to get another brush and just go into the skin tone colour. Just kind of bring this around my brows a little bit. So I've brought that darker colour, this one here, over to my outer V and just bring it in a little bit. But I still want this look to be pretty light. So now I'm going to go in with the Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art in Green Glimmer. And I'm just going to use the shiny like glitter part. Okay, that's not working. So that glitter is kind of taking away my base colour, so let's scrap that. Okay, so for glitter, I'm going to use the Collection Glam Crystals Dazzling Gel Liner in the gold and the silver, and I'm going to mix them both together on the back of my hand. So what I ended up just doing was going in with the PS Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow in pink. So this is the eye look so far. So what I'm going to do is go off camera, copy and paste this to this eye, and then I'll come back and we can figure out what else I'm going to do with this eye look together. Hi guys, so I'm back. So as you can see, I've done both eyes. I did add lashes, and the lashes I used was the Primark and Sosu lash in London. I also added eyeliner. I used black liner to tightline my upper lash line using the Rimmel Special Eyes eyeliner in black. Then on my waterline, I used the Essence Electric Vibes eyeliner in Paradise. Then on top of that, I used the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk just to tone it down a little bit, just to make it less like vibrant and more pastel. I also added mascara using the Lash Sensational Mascara by Maybelline. So I'm not in love with this look. It's not the look that I had in mind. I feel like it's just too much glitter, but it is what it is. This is the look that I've created, and this is the look that I'm going to go with. Okay, so now for base, I'm going to go in with the Stila One Step Corrector Primer. And I'm just going to put this all over my face. So now I'm going to use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer just in my porous area. So now for foundation, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in Ivory. I'm going to mix in a little bit of my Max Factor Healthy Skin Harmony Foundation, just because it's looking a little bit too matte. Okay, so now I'm going to cream contour using my Rimmel contour stick. Now I'm going to go in with concealer. I'm going to go in with the Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer in Custard. So now I'm going to use cream blusher. I'm going to go in with the Bourjois Healthy Mix Sorbet Blush in Apricot. I think orange and like teal blue would look really nice together. It's like mint blue, teal. I don't know what kind of colour this is on my eyes. Okay, so now I'm going to set my under eyes with the Maybelline Fit Me powder. So now just to moisturise my lips because they're a little bit dry, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Obsessions Lip Balm in Cherry. This is a new formula for them. So now I'm going to go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer just to warm up my cheeks. So now I'm just going to cut my cheek with the same Maybelline Fit Me powder. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the Becca Chloe Malika palette, which looks like this. I'm going to go in with the bronzer from here. I'm kind of bringing it under my eye a little bit as well. So now for blush, I'm going to go in with these two shades here from the NYX Brights palette. Too much blush, possibly. So for my lower lash line, I'm going to use the same colours as I did on the top. So I'm going to go in with this one and then this one on just the outer part of my lower lash line. And if I need to, I'll go in with a white just to tone it down a little bit. So now I'm just going to spritz my face with the Revolution Hydrate and Fix Radiance Makeup Fixing Spray. So now I'm just going to go on top of it with this here. This is the PS Prime and Infuse Setting Spray. Well, yeah, priming spray. So it's not really a setting spray. Now I'm just going to add mascara. This is the Maybelline Sensation Mascara to my lower lash line. So now I'm just adding a little bit of the Essence Last Princess Mascara. And I am adding like a lot of mascara. Now for brows, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Brow Artist Plumper. While my brows are drying, I'm going to go in with highlight, which I completely forgot to do. I'm going to go in with the Becca Chloe and Malika palette, and I'm going to go in with the highlight shade. Putting this in my inner corner. So now I'm going to go in with the PS Brow Sketch Pencil for my eyebrows. This is in the shade Dark Brown. So now I'm going to go in with the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. I just line my lips with the NYX Lip Liner in Cocoa. So now for lipstick, I'm just going to go in with the Colourpop and Kathleen Light's What's Your Sign Lip Gloss lipstick. And then I'm going to go in with a lighter colour in the middle. So now I'm just going to go in with the Essence Shine 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 Wet Look Lip Gloss. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. And now that I've done everything and it's all come together, I really love how this looks. I'm the sort of person that I'm like, I don't like a look, and then I just carry it on, I just do it. I just see how it looks once I've got everything on, and I actually end up loving the look most of the time. I really like how this look has come out. I love my eyes. I really like the fact that I did go in with orange blush because I think it just really complements the eyes very much, because I love an orange blush with these kind of colours. So yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. I know I wasn't super chatty, but I literally was just trying to create and play with makeup. So yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, I'd love for you to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.